In this video, I am going to show you how to change your email notification settings on Etsy. You want to change the email you want to receive from Etsy. Here's how to do. 1. Visit Etsy.com and sign in with your account details. 2. Click on your account located at the top right corner. Then choose Account Settings from the drop-down options. 3. Within the account settings, locate and click the Emails tab to access your email preferences settings. 4. You'll see two main sections, your notifications and your subscriptions. Here you can select or deselect the checkboxes next to each email category to opt in or out for specific type of emails. After adjusting the preferences, don't forget to click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to ensure your changes are applied. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.